Please like, share, and subscribe.
Point of view drive at the end of the video. Bronco brand is taking trail riders to their off-road routes with the introduction of the 2023 Bronco and Bronco Sport Heritage and Heritage Limited Editions. The special edition models will be available across the Bronco family lineup, including Bronco 2-door, Bronco 4-door, and Bronco Sport SUVs. Ford will build just 1,966 units of each Heritage Limited Edition model to commemorate the year the original Bronco debuted. The Bronco Heritage Limited Edition brings content from the Badlands trim, which includes a more powerful turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 engine. It's rated at 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque and comes paired exclusively with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Heritage Limited Edition variant also gets unique metal Bronco fender badging and leather/vinyl seats. Neat retro-inspired steel wheels come standard for the Heritage Edition. The Heritage Limited comes with black painted wheels. Ford offers 5 paint colors for the Heritage Edition, but the Heritage Limited Edition is only available in Robin's Egg Blue at launch. Ford intends to offer Yellowstone Metallic on the Heritage Limited Edition late in the 2023 model year, with Peak Blue joining the color palette for the 2024 model year. Bronco captivated America in the mid-60s with its rugged style and uncompromising off-road agility, a legacy that is still prevalent today, said Mark Gruber, Bronco marketing manager. With these new Heritage and Heritage Limited Editions, we're paying respect to Bronco's roots with nods to some of the signature design cues from the first-generation vehicle, while continuing to build the Bronco brand with more special editions that our customers want. The 2023 Bronco Sport Heritage and Heritage Limited Edition models are available to order for all customers now. Bronco 2 and 4-door models will go on sale later this year, with initial orders prioritized for current Bronco order holders awaiting their vehicle. Orders will open to all customers next year, regardless of current reservation status. 1960s Bronco styling meets modern capability. Bronco 2 and 4-door Heritage models are highlighted by a two-tone paint job that includes signature Oxford white accents, including the modular hardtop roof. A unique Oxford white grille features race red Ford lettering, while 17-inch aluminum Heritage wheels painted in Oxford white and a body side stripe dial up the throwback looks. The 1960s era-inspired squared fenders with Sasquatch width fender flares provide a visual callback and cover the nearly 2-inch wider track. A powder-coated steel-capable front bumper with built-in recovery points and integrated fog lamps is standard. Heritage Limited models add gloss black-painted 17-inch Heritage wheels with classic dog dish centers, plus an Oxford white painted lip for more retro flair. Inside, Bronco Heritage Edition units feature plaid cloth seats and exclusive touches such as an Oxford white instrument panel, center console badging and exclusive front and rear floor liners. Heritage Edition models come standard with Big Bend series equipment and features, including a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with 7-speed manual or available 10-speed select-shift automatic transmission. The engine delivers up to 300 horsepower and 325 pound-ft torque star. The Sasquatch package with a high-performance off-road stability suspension (HOSS) 2.0 system with long-travel Bilstein position-sensitive dampers with end-stop control valves and increased ride height is standard, as are 35-inch Goodyear mud-terrain tires and Dana front and rear electronic locking axles with 4.7:1 final drive ratio. Bronco Heritage Edition is available in 5 paint options, while Bronco Heritage Limited Edition is exclusively available at launch in Robin's Egg Blue, which is a throwback color based on Arcadian blue, available on the original Bronco in 1966. The color Yellowstone Metallic, which is based on the 1971 Ford Color Prairie Yellow, is planned for late 2023 model year availability. Peak Blue is planned for the 2024 model year. Heritage Limited Edition models offer the increased capability of Badlands series equipment and features, including a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine with up to 330 horsepower and 415 pound-ft. Torque * mated to the 10-speed Select Shift automatic transmission. They are also differentiated with features that include metal Bronco script fender badging, leather-trimmed /vinyl plaid seats with white and race red accent stitching, and unique Heritage limited console badging.
Please like, share, and subscribe.